And yes, I edited this video using Final Cut Pro for iPad. And I'm gonna show you how the beat deduction settings will have improved my workflow and what's wrong with it. The beat deduction can be enabled by right clicking on any of your music track and then just click on the enable beat deduction from the list, and when you enable that, it just shows some visual lines or beat deduction grids on your timeline, which is exactly laid on top of your beats. But that's what I thought in the first place. But then if I look closely, if you scroll out and scroll out a bit, and you see that the intervals between the grid lines are exactly the same, so it's not placed exactly over the beat itself. The good thing about this grids is it is also magnetic snips, so if you go from one grid to another, your pointer snaps into it, and this makes the editing way easier, just dragging your clips from one grid to another and snapped into the places. That's what I was missing from the old versions. Speaking of which, in the older versions, what I would usually do is I manually place the markers and then come back and align my photos and videos based on the markers. And now everything is ready for me to just start my editing workflow. I would say this is not perfect, but it works, and that's the story.